Hello everybody. So this was a basket that I made a few years ago. I did a contest on my food channel, and it was a bake off. So one of the prizes was like a $50 gift card, and then the other prize was this gift basket. So I went to Dollar Tree and I purchased a lot of Betty Crocker baking utensils and just stuff for the kitchen. And these are the things right here that you see that I have laid out, and I arranged them together and made a nice little basket. And I thought it was really pretty, it was really nice, and the individual that won it, he really enjoyed it. He actually did an unboxing video to show it off. So these things I got out of Dollar Tree, y'all, back in the day when Dollar Tree was $1 a car. And so I just kind of arranged it, like as you can see here. I moved it around a few times just to make it nice, and then I just put the little wrap on there and a little bow, and it was good to go. And it shipped well with no issues or whatever.